What's next?
So right now we're gonna come to visit Indonesia Pavilion.
Wow, I think it's very interesting because I've been to Indonesia many times. Good food, great culture, and everything in between.
Present and future, presenting the diversity of our land, sparked global trade, and the global trade gave birth to our diverse culture and society today. Let me take you through a journey.
The pavilion's aim is to be the home to diversity, innovation, and opportunity to explore how Indonesia is creating a better future with innovations that merge modern technologies and local knowledge. The pavilion is divided into 3 zones, first being yesterday, showing the Spice Islands. For centuries, Indonesia attracted traders and explorers from Indochina, Central Asia, and the Middle East and Europe. Traders and settlers contributed to the natural enrichment and diversification of Indonesian culture. Second being today, showing the natural beauty of the world's largest archipelago, the warmth and friendliness of its people, the rich cultural heritage which varies from island to island, and the array of opportunities for mutual growth and development. Third, tomorrow, for exploring Indonesia's development of infrastructure that's improving and the lifestyle and prosperity for its people, its role in developing science and technology, and how the country is sharing its local wisdoms and innovation with the world. One of the fun pavilions in the Opportunity District was built by Lebanon. Its theme is to bring endless opportunity home by using our mind and inspiring and merging our traditions with global perspective. The highlight is dozens of swings that urge visitors to fly above Lebanon and enjoy the drone shot of Lebanese landscape.
So one thing about you'll find here is the technologies. Like my new friend right here. Alright, bye-bye. That's fun.
I took a brief break from the pavilion to enjoy many of its cultural performances, but not for long. Next country is my birth country. And yes, I'm Chinese by birth and I'm proud of my heritage because we are taking over the world.
Walk to the stars, that's what they say. Showcase China's space industry. They just recently landed a lunar module right there.
The China Pavilion is also one of the largest at Expo 2020 at 4,636 square meters, and its theme symbolizes hope and bright future, and is designed in line with the principle of combination of Chinese and Western culture with Chinese culture as the core. The pavilions promote the notion of shared future for mankind from 4 aspects: exploration and discovery, communication and connection, innovation and cooperation, and opportunity and future through China's very controversial Belt and Road Initiative. The showcase also includes achievements made by China in science and information technology. Some of the examples include Baidu navigation systems, 5G technology, and artificial intelligence.
So behind me is actually a log cabin of the China's Taipei Rail. So it says homegrown technologies. Now most likely, heard about all type of this right here. The largest market for EVs are not in US or in Western developed countries, but it's actually in China, and they got lots of local homegrown brands like this one that's actually competing with Tesla.